Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with a few more Destashes. So for those of you who do not know, my Destashes are US only, PayPal only, through friends and family. It will be first come, first served. I unfortunately will not be able to hold anything. So once I confirm that the lot or lots that you're interested in are available, I ask that you pay promptly or I will move on to the next person. So with that being said, I have 3 lots today. 2 of them are embellishment lots and this first one will be a die lot. The first part of this, a lot of them are from overseas, so some of these are duplicates of ones I already have. This is the first one. Hope you guys can see that. I don't want to spend the time to take everything out, but basically it creates little tabs and there are 4 of them in here, and I did cut out them so you can see them. So you'll get that set. You will also get this set, and I guess for this one I do have to take it out, but I don't even know how many pieces are in here. I've actually never cut anything out. It actually makes a penguin. So if you kind of can see that this is not part of the face, but here is the body and there's the face. And it comes with a whole bunch of accessories. This is great for this upcoming season. You will also get this. These are just random little dies that I have. I have no idea where they came from. But it is a button, a little winky face emoji, and this is a little tag with like a flower in the center with the stitching on it. Super cute tag. You will also get this set of 3 arrows. Oh, I'm sorry, there's 4 of them, but it is a very good size. You can see that on my hand. You'll get this set of these scalloped lacy borders. You will also get this half doily. This creates an easel. This one creates a 3D bow. So here are the tails, the little wrap, and then these, or this one creates the base of the bow. This little cover plate with all these circles that you can actually use this to cut out confetti. This pinwheel die. So this creates the pinwheel and then you can use this as a center. Another one great for this season. It is a cluster of snowflakes. You will also get this. It's a 2-piece set. So it cuts all these circles and hearts out. It does not cut any of the lines, so you can cut it into like your card front, and then you can use this circle if you want to make it an embellishment. You'll also get this large cover plate with all these hearts. Great for confetti as well. So those are it for the overseas dies. You will also get these Darice dies. So this one creates music notes. If it'll focus. And then you will get this flourish as well as this flourish. These are great to tuck underneath any type of flower cluster. You will also get this Sizzix. It's called Phrase Made By. I've never used this, so I don't know. I think it does cut it out, but there's this super cute bird and line. It says made by, and I believe that part will emboss, and then it'll cut this little oval out. You will also get this Sizzix Thinlits by Tim Holtz. It is called Handwritten Love. I've actually never used this. So it has 7 dies and all these words on it. And then I'm also throwing in these 2 5x7 embossing folders. So this one is floral with some butterflies, and then this one has a whole bunch of hearts. They're super cute, and I've never used these. So this is lot number 1 for the dies, and this will be $25 shipped. For the next 2 embellishment lots, they will both come in a padded flat rate envelope, and they will each be $38 shipped. So this is the Embellishments Lot 1. I'm going to quickly show you what's in this lot because there is quite a bit, and I will try to point out when something has been used. You will also get these KI foam glitter stickers. So there are plenty of sentiments in here. I just used the one down here that says Dream. You'll also get these Martha Stewart bows. These are great for packages, so you will get 2 of the aqua color one and 1 of the baby pink. And it is satin ribbon. It's really pretty. You will get these lacy type stickers, and then I have a couple more here that I'm including. They were just cut apart from another pack. You will get this whole bag of buttons. They're in different sizes and colors. I've had this bag forever, so I don't know exactly what all is in here. There are some flower shaped ones, but it's a pretty good size bag. You'll also get these like chipboard stickers. I believe I used 1 out of here, so there are 4 left. And then lastly, I just have these packaged up. These are some Hobby Lobby stickers that are the black, white, and gold, and they're clear. I had 2 separate sheets of these stickers, these same stickers, so I just cut up the rest of what I didn't use and just put it in here. And then there's this used pack of this Heidi Swap enamel like stickers with some butterflies and a sentiment. So I'm just throwing that in there. You will also get these two cherubs. I don't know what material this is, but they can go on top of boxes or any type of altered project. And lastly, this black bling on a roll. I believe I used like a little bit of it. There's quite a bit left. So that is embellishment lot number 1, and it'll be $38 shipped. Okay, this is embellishment lot number 2, and this will also be $38 shipped. You will also get a bag of, these are more resin pieces. There are some buttons, but mostly these are resin pieces. So there's some cherubs in here, gears, lots of flowers in different sizes. There's a couple of frames, a whole bunch, some cameos, crowns, you name it, it's probably in here. You will also get these 4 card, you know, you can make your own cards. They give you some examples back here. So this is a card kit by Anna Griffin. I've never used any of that before. You'll get some of these Polaroid die cuts. This one is chipboard by Heidi Swap. You will also get this, it's the chip pack. I don't know who makes it. I don't even know why I cut this off, but this is the ice cream sundae. So you get all these different pieces to make your own like cupcakes and ice cream and sundaes. It's super cute. They're all die cut. There's also these acetate pieces that you can put on top to make it look like sprinkles. I don't believe I used any out of this pack. I'm also throwing in this bow. I have some just random ephemera pieces. So there's some flowers, there's a frame, sentiments, tags, and things like that. I also have some of these sticker sheets. So these are some monkeys. Here's some like holographic cupcakes. They're super cute. And some glittery flowers. This one, they were on 2 sheets, but I did use some of them. But there are quite a bit left, and there's everything under the sun on these. And they are black glitter. They're super sparkly. So these glasses are super cute. So I'm throwing that in. You will also get, sorry for that glare, these are the clear gold foiled stickers from Hobby Lobby. I did use like maybe 4 of them or 3 of them. And then this sheet of the clear flamingo stickers. You also get these 2 cherubs, just like the first lot. So this one you actually get 2 of the smaller ones and 1 of the big ones. And you will get all these like flat back rhinestones. There are a ton of different sizes. This has never been used. So from the itty bitty ones to the larger ones, and these are great to adorn cards and projects with. And then I'm also throwing in this pencil that is made to pick up those rhinestones. So all you have to do is sharpen it and then use it to pick up your rhinestones to place it on whatever project. So this is the Embellishment Lot number 2, like I said, and it is $38 shipped. So if you guys are interested in any of these lots, please go ahead and email me. I will have it in the description box below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.